Hi, it's Julien Barker here. I'm with a lovely lady who has just been telling me about she's got a bit of a left shoulder issue, which is all to do with a very keen gardener and pricking out lots and lots of plants and lots of fine motor skills. So we're going to run through and have a focus on that and get started in the normal way. Okay, so let's have your arms up by your sides. And just having a little look at the notes here, normally a left PD and very clearly a left PD, arms down by your hips. That's the one. Lift up a bit more, don't want to give me a bad back. Okay, and okay, very clearly. We're actually taking notes as I go here off camera. You can't see us. One of my team was just taking notes, so that's who I'm telling. If I look over there, it's because I'm looking to them. So 0.5 on a left one. Yeah, last time you were only a couple of millimeters actually. It was marked down as 0.05, now definitely ½ inch. So, yeah. And it changes immediately as soon as I go for your left knee. Yes, gardening season is upon us, isn't it?
Yeah.
And actually a very good combination of sun and rain at the moment. It's kind of working well. Give it a bit more rain?
It's all right now. The ground is amazing how it soaked it up already.
It did, didn't it? Actually, it was a fairly good day the other day. Yeah, sounds good. Okay, so we've got a right medial tibia, left medial tibia and a left PI ilium. That combination goes together a lot, especially with people who are outdoors a lot. Squeeze your knees together and let go. That's good. Left hand up behind your back. Swap your hands around. Okay, and back down by side. So I've got an L5 left and an L4 right. That tends to come with, I've got a sore back. If you're not feeling that, then good news. I'm nipping it before it does. That's the L5. That's the L4. Might be a bit sore for a day or two after that.
Okay.
If it is, at least you know it's my fault. Okay. Take your left hand up by your face. Big deep breath in. And out. Right hand up as well. Both back down by sides. Just pinch both shoulder blades up behind your back. Back down. But you know, I just spotted there, as you brought your arms down, your left leg pulled up short there. That's part of the test for a T7, which is coming up on the right. Which, yeah, was a little bit unexpected there, but I just saw it. T7, I definitely associate with niggly shoulder stuff that won't go away.
Yeah.
So that, I have to say, does fit. Okay, let's just try that again. So both hands up by your face. So that's the T8, which looks grand. Good. And then both back down by sides. And it was as you did that. Good. Pinch both shoulders up behind your back again. That's it. And back down. Oh, good. Okay, turn your head to the left. Lift the left shoulder off the couch. Back down. Shrug both shoulders up to your ears. Back down. And a very clear right T1 there. Squeeze the left elbow flat against your side. And let go. Okay, squeeze the right one in. And let go. And a right medial scapula. Shrug your shoulders up and roll them back. Head back into the centre. Hopefully you spotted how the T1 made the right leg go long and the medial scapula made the left leg go long. So, yep, things definitely changing about. quite often that in terms of the rotation of shoulder blade, the scapula, you end up finding it initially on the non-symptomatic side.
Oh.
So, fairly typical. Yep, sensitive, is it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And of course, you know, especially with anything like gardening, you know, it's not a one-handed activity. We kind of tend to notice our dominant hand doing all the work, but of course the other one's busy doing something else. Lift up your head and back down. Put your chin down to your chest, back to centre, that is a C5 on the left. Push your face into the couch and let go. Okay, and the C0 occiput on the left, which means almost certainly there's going to be a trapezius trigger point. So turn your head to the right. Just make sure there's no C2, which there isn't. Tip the back of your head towards your left shoulder. That's the one. Oh, there we go. Head back into the centre. And a trap TP. Okay, so slight tuck of chin down to your chest. 2, 3, 4, 5. So. That's the C5. Just hold that position. I'll go down to setting 1 for occiput. And head can go back to neutral. Up to setting 3 for the trapezius trigger point, which I've definitely got my finger right on, haven't I? There. Yeah. It's the one that anyone who's had a massage or a massage therapist, oh, you've got that knot in your shoulder, and that's what it is. So, yeah. Okay. Just for you guys, I'll just retest that. So turn your head to the right. Tip the back of your head towards your left shoulder. Remember how it made the legs go really different? Oh, not at all, no. There we go. Head back into the centre. Okay, so stretch your left hand towards your left knee. And let go. Right hand, right knee. And let go. So that takes us through the essential scan. Let's just focus on, it's clearly a muscle issue, so let's just focus on that. Rhomboids would be an obvious one, so just do left hand up behind your back. That's it. Push your left elbow outwards and let go. Nope. Arm back down by side. Drop your left arm off the side. So we'll run through the rotator cuff stuff. Push with your hand towards your feet. That's it. And let go. And there is a subscapularis. I'll back up by side. So subscapularis underneath the shoulder blade, as the name implies. Slight bend in elbow. The only place I can get to it is kind of poking around in your armpit, so excuse the poking around. And you can get to the tendon just there. I can feel that. Yeah. Can you feel that?
Yes,
yep.
I can.
Yes, I can. Yeah, there we go. And rotator cuff will give referral pain that can feel like pins and needles going down your arm, so it can make you feel like your whole arm's aching. Commonly mistaken for a trapped nerve in the neck. Okay, lift the left arm straight up off the couch and back down. Good. And it's worth just checking what's going on with collarbone, especially the distal end. They can go posterior, they can go anterior, so I'm just stress testing it, and there's a very clear anterior test. Okay, we'll go setting 2. Just lift the shoulder up a little bit. And just come on to the distal end and just adjusting straight posterior. Oh yeah, that definitely shot down your arm, didn't it? Yeah. Whoosh. Okay. Fantastic, good. I'm going to stop there. So those are the kind of tests you can run through if somebody's complaining about an aching shoulder from doing lots and lots and lots of gardening or repetitive action. See you next time.